time for probably my second favorite slide in the entire course, which is regarding dashboard layouts. Now, the way that you arrange and organize the visual elements in your dashboard is just as important as the elements themselves. You can't just randomly throw charts on a page. A strong dashboard layout should draw attention to the most important metrics and insights and thoughtfully guide the viewer through a logical story or visual progression. So, how can you do this? Let's look at this dashboard as an example. Where do your eyes go first? The title, right? You immediately know that you're looking at a regional revenue dashboard and that you're looking at the performance for Chicago in July 2021. And this is no coincidence. It's actually because the dashboard is considering common reading patterns to guide the viewer. And I've referenced this before, but because of the way people are used to reading, the top left part of your dashboard will attract the most attention. So you need to make sure that you take advantage of this to hook the viewer and to start guiding them through the story. It's also why I don't recommend that you place any company logos in the upper left corner, because remember, that's precious real estate. Now, beyond placement, you can also use pre-attentive attributes like size and color to highlight key data points. You'll notice that the main KPI for total revenue is not only in an upper left section of the dashboard, but it's also nice and big so that the end user doesn't miss it. You can also leverage Gestalt principles of visual perception like continuity and proximity to group related visual elements and reduce clutter. You'll notice that the white space between the visuals here is creating a sense that you're looking at 3 columns of data, while the continuity between the bars in the bar chart in the middle here lets you know that they represent the same series even though the second bar chart isn't labeled. And finally, writing descriptive titles and subtitles can go a long way towards creating narratives and establishing a visual hierarchy. So by considering all of these points and thoughtfully applying them to design this layout, the resulting dashboard is easy to read, easy to understand, and it delivers insights for the end users that allow them to make decisions. Mission accomplished.